a lot of problems with my detector. That it gets moisture in it, and naturally it won't power up. Pretty sure I know what the problem is with it. I'm not gonna send it to Garrett. I'm tired of sending it to Garrett. I'm gonna dry it out myself. First thing you want to do, just pry this data plate cover off. Just a sticker is all it is. Seen those before? Yeah, me too. You got two Phillips screws here that hold this cover on. Pop these out right quick. And everything seems to be, seems like they go out of their way to seal these things up and make sure they don't leak. But I've never had this thing in the water, man. The most I've basically just in the back of the truck. You can see still no power. What I'm going to do now, you don't want to put too much heat on it because these printed circuits do have diodes in them that will, a certain amount of heat will damage them. So you don't want to put too much heat on any printed circuit. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a while, and I'm going to check my voltage on my power supply in a minute. Do a couple other little voltage checks. I'll come back and I'll see if it works. Alright, I've let this thing dry out after I've dried it with a hair dryer. I'm gonna check my voltage, my battery pack here first before I go any further. 10 volt scale, 12. Okay, we got voltage, so that's good. I know the batteries are good. Which, by the way, they, like I said, man, they go a long way out of the way to seal this thing up, but I don't know how it gets in there, but it does. I guess probably because I'm pretty rough on my equipment. I'm like really rough, but alright, here we go. And never ever touch the back of any printed circuit with your fingers. Here we go, and it's powered up. It's done, it's fixed. So any comments are welcome. Anybody out there got a Garrett that don't work, hey, send it to me, man. I'll fix it for you. I'll send it back to you for free. It won't cost you nothing. Y'all have a good day. Just to see everything at this place here, right across the road over there was a big plantation. There's a bayou right there. I'm sure a lot of tin cans and crap over there. I'm gonna use over there in a minute. It is hot, sunshine. It is some kind of warm out here today. Yeah, I'm gonna ease across the road over there, see what I find. Alright, my first coin of the day. Can you see it right there? I don't know what it is. A nickel. Junk ass nickel. 1972. No. Yeah, I guess. Maybe. Alright, it's a good signal, but I don't know. We'll see what it is. It's a spoon. Piece of a spoon. You dig? Whoa. Yeah. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Pocket watch, bub. I gotta put my glasses on for this here. Yes, sir. Pretty. Crap. Have to clean that up and see if I can get a date off of it. It's pretty cool though. Nice little find. Find a little stuff right here on top of this hill, man. I'm gonna keep right here on top of this little old hill right here. Might be something promising right here. Yes, sir. Let me check that hole. Let's see the rest of it ain't in there. It's the key. This is the key to the Confederate gold. It's here. I know it. So when I find the treasure, I'll have the key to get in it. Yep. Yes, sir. Here we go. Back to the next hole. Or to the next hole. I'm back in the truck. Back in the truck, and I'm headed down to another place. You have really got to like this sport to put yourself through this kind of misery. I'm gonna tell you, cause it is freaking hot out here, man. It is burning up. I did find some good stuff though. I found a pocket watch. Very cool pocket watch. Found a key. I know that's just ordinary stuff to most people, but to me, I like that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna head on down here towards the count. I'm gonna see about getting into something else down here. Gotta get me some water first, cause it's like hot. Can you see me sweating? I don't usually sweat because I'm one bad mofo, but it's hot. And I'm a Mexican. And I'm sweating. So that ought to tell you something. See y'all in a minute. Hey folks, I'm down here in LeCount, Louisiana, where I'm gonna show you a little bit of history, some Civil War history that I did quite a bit of research on myself. Now I'm not no smart fella, but I can read. But I'm gonna show y'all down here. This little bay down here is what they call the Bay Beth. Now this was this little bay was actually navigable at one time. The farmers used it a lot, but actually, it was a great tool in commerce back in the day, because they, like I said, they actually floated boats up and down this thing. Right in the middle of the Civil War, there was a fella named A.J. Smith. He was commander of Union forces in Alexandria. Same asshole that burnt Alexandria down. Deemed it necessary to come down here to LeCount and destroy these locks. These locks here are 150 years plus. Now, if you'll notice, you see where it's all tore up. That's where them jackasses come down here, Union forces under A.J. Smith's command, decided they deemed it necessary to blow it up. You know, and naturally that would put a damper on, you know, the commerce and the stuff down here in LeCount area, but I always wanted to come and treasure hunt here and look. I'm sure there's something here, but just to give you a little history of what's going on with this, hope I'm not boring y'all too much. Hope the language ain't too much, but still in all, it's my opinion AJ Smith's an asshole. Go on the ground here, I don't see nothing. There's an old piece of glass right there. Let's see if I can't get it without falling in this bitch. Might have been a Civil War soldier carrying that. Glasgow. James Buchanan. I don't know what that is. Piece of pottery. Piece of metal, something or another. We'll keep looking on the ground right here. I was actually told this piece of land right here belonged to a fella that passed away, and the state actually took over. I sure would like to get in there and look, man. But that's the locks right there. Pretty cool.